Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of Discord. We will go to settings. Here in this first page of settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Discord and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.